square DAC disconnect with a GFCI built into the box is a product that simplifies installing a GFCI outlet near an AC unit. The pullout is constructed from durable plastic and features a weather-resistant cover, providing protection from the elements. The integrated GFCI outlet is rated for 15 amps and incorporates a built-in circuit breaker for overcurrent protection. A cord retainer is included to prevent accidental disconnection of the cord. The square DAC pullout offers convenience and ease of use. It provides a method for adding a GFCI outlet to an AC unit without needing to run a separate circuit. Here are some of the benefits of using the square DAC pullout with a GFCI built into the box. Firstly, it's easy to install. Secondly, it's weather resistant. Thirdly, it's durable. Fourthly, it has a built-in circuit breaker. Fifthly, it includes a cord retainer. And sixthly, it offers convenience. When installing any electrical equipment, it's crucial to adhere to all applicable codes and regulations, such as those outlined in the National Electrical Code, or NEC. Ensure the AC disconnect is properly sized for the AC unit it will be serving. Refer to the AC unit's nameplate for its voltage, amperage, and minimum circuit capacity requirements. Select a conductor size appropriate for the load, consulting NEC Table 310.15b16 for ampacity ratings based on conductor type and insulation. Grounding is essential for safety. Connect the grounding conductor from the service panel to the grounding lug within the AC disconnect. This provides a low impedance path for fault current, helping to trip the circuit breaker in the event of a ground fault. The GFCI outlet provides ground fault protection, which is particularly important for outdoor applications where moisture is present. A ground fault occurs when current flows through an unintended path to ground, such as through a person. A GFCI detects this imbalance in current and quickly trips the circuit, preventing electrical shock. Before beginning any electrical work, always de-energize the circuit at the main service panel. Use a voltage tester to verify that the circuit is dead before touching any wires. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety glasses and insulated gloves. When connecting the wires to the AC disconnect, ensure that the connections are tight and secure. Loose connections can cause arcing, overheating, and potentially fire. Use the correct size wire connectors for the wire gauge being used. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for installing the AC disconnect. This will ensure that it is installed correctly and safely. The AC disconnect should be mounted in a location that is readily accessible and within sight of the AC unit, as required by code. This allows for easy shutoff of power to the AC unit for maintenance or emergency situations. The weather-resistant cover provides protection from rain, snow, and other elements. Ensure that the cover is properly closed after installation to maintain its weather resistance. The built-in circuit breaker provides overcurrent protection for the GFCI outlet. If the GFCI outlet is overloaded, the circuit breaker will trip, protecting the circuit from damage. The cord retainer helps to prevent the cord from being pulled out accidentally. This is especially important for outdoor applications where the cord may be subject to strain. The square DAC pullout simplifies the installation of a GFCI outlet near an AC unit. It is a convenient and safe way to provide ground fault protection for outdoor electrical equipment. It is important to consult the local electrical codes and regulations to ensure that all installations are compliant. Always work with a qualified electrician if you are not comfortable performing electrical work. When selecting the appropriate AC disconnect, consider the voltage and amperage requirements of the AC unit. The AC disconnect should be rated for at least the same voltage and amperage as the AC unit. Choose an AC disconnect with a sufficient number of poles to accommodate the wiring configuration of the AC unit. Some AC units require a 2-pole disconnect, while others require a 3-pole disconnect. The AC disconnect should be installed in a location that is protected from physical damage. Avoid installing it in areas where it could be struck by vehicles or other equipment. The AC disconnect should be clearly labeled to indicate the AC unit that it serves. This will help to prevent accidental disconnection of the wrong AC unit. The GFCI outlet should be tested regularly to ensure that it is functioning properly. Press the test button on the GFCI outlet to simulate a ground fault. The GFCI outlet should trip and to energize the circuit. If the GFCI outlet does not trip, it should be replaced. The Square D AC pullout is a valuable addition to any AC unit installation. It provides a convenient and safe way to provide ground fault protection and overcurrent protection. By following the proper installation procedures and adhering to all the applicable codes and regulations, you can ensure that the AC unit is installed safely and reliably. Remember to always prioritize safety when working with electricity. To energize the circuit before working on any electrical components and wear appropriate personal protective equipment. If you are unsure about any aspect of the installation, consult with a qualified electrician. With the Square D AC disconnect with GFCI, you can have a peace of mind knowing that your AC unit is protected from electrical hazards. This product combines convenience, safety, and durability in a single package, making it an excellent choice for any AC unit installation. Remember to check your local and national electric codes for proper installation guidelines. Select the correct size wire to handle the amount of amperage. Ensure to use the correct connectors for the wire you will be using. Using the incorrect size of wire can cause a fire.